The definition of aurora borealis is the collision of particles with gases in the upper atmosphere. Similarly, what we do at Aurora is a collision of ideas, ideologies, people, and institutions that produces something really beautiful.
Aurora is a collaboration of like-minded research universities that are socially responsible.
The one goal, the one dream that we have, that we could be a university or a group of universities that actually does education and does research, but actually tries to develop a better world or solve the problems that are so hard on us.
The road can be a bit bumpy sometimes to change. It's definitely not easy. It's not without its challenges, but I have faith in Aurora.
I believe it, so I hope that we can really rule a positive change by helping students thinking differently.
Our strength is in working together and bringing ideas from different perspectives together.
And we see that joining forces, or by joining forces, we have had a significant impact.
I think Aurora has done a great job for the past 3 to 4 years building this whole network and alliance.
It will change the way networking is made. It will change the way we view how borders operate, how institutions are supposed to operate now. It is no longer an era of isolation. It is an era of connection beyond just the borders we exist in.
I think Aurora helps us to develop the universities to really have an impact through our graduates, to prepare them to tackle societal challenges.
For the students who participate in Aurora itself, it provides invaluable experiences and develops skills that you otherwise would not be able to create and even develop without Aurora.
The whole point of Aurora is to make the university experience better, more cohesive, more inclusive for students.
If you think about the research-guided teaching, they will get the newest ideas, and the interesting thing I think is that they could spread it through their communities.
We can sit and assume that we're going to change the world. That is a very ambitious idea. We should go with we're going to change the everyday of every person that is involved in this project and that we can touch with whatever we're doing. And that gives hope to people.
I think that's a very important principle, to not try to take the whole picture always into consideration, but to break it down to something that is manageable.
People need to feel it, need to have the energy to do this kind of activity. So believe in it, that it can work. Believe in it, that we can train these kind of competencies. And I think we have a beautiful team in Aurora already.
We are just beginning, although Aurora has been there for 7 years. The future is very bright.
Through Aurora, we can hopefully inspire more inclusivity across all partner universities and create actual change.
Will the world be better with the Aurora University Network than without it? I think the answer is yes, and if that's the case, then we did something correct.